Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, May 20. Jamaica's road infrastructure and the public purse are to benefit from two initiatives aimed at reducing government spending. Transport, Works and Housing Minister Dr. Omar Davies has announced a major policy undertaking by his ministry to include the use of concrete as an alternative road construction material.
For future road construction activities, the bid documents prepared by the NWA will invite responses which speak only to the technical specifications required for the structure of the roads to be built or repaired. In other words, responses can either be for constructing using asphalt or concrete.
While delivering his sectoral presentation last week, Dr. Davies said it was a significant breakthrough for exploiting the most cost-effective road construction method. In another significant move, an agreement has been reached with the Ministry of Local Government for the National Works Agency to repair parish council roads.
The Minister of Local Government and I have agreed that as a matter of urgency, we'll begin working on this matter. It's a low-hanging fruit. It's not necessarily going to bring us more resources, but with greater coordination in assigning priority to the roads for which local authorities are responsible in terms of their need for repairs.
Dr. Davies said there would be greater coordination in designing responses, technical specifications, and procurement policies. Jamaica could soon welcome a major manufacturing investment that would support plans towards making the island a global logistics hub. Transport Minister Dr. Omar Davies says the world's leading manufacturer of port container cranes is looking to establish a manufacturing facility in Jamaica's economic zone.
The Prime Minister, my colleague ministers in my ministry, and I met with Dr. Hai Liang Song, the chairman and president of ZPMC at OPM. ZPMC is seriously examining the establishment of a manufacturing facility in the economic zone, if established, which will fabricate these cranes for the Caribbean and Latin American markets.
ZPMC manufactures 70% of the world's demand for crane. Government has announced the establishment of Adjudicate committees to help accelerate its land titling program. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller says the Adjudicate committees will deal specifically with landowners who have no documentary proof of ownership.
The committee will sit in the communities where the land is located so that the facts about the property rights relating to the land can be ascertained, and this, I'm sure, will clear the way for the land to be registered.
The Prime Minister was addressing the launch of the extension of the Land Administration and Management Program, LAMP. Originally a 2-year program, LAMP has been extended to 10 years and now includes the parishes of Westmoreland, St. James, Hanover, St. Anne and Trelawney. In the meantime, government will be amending the Facilities for Titles Act so that certificates of compliance can be used to give landowners proof of ownership. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller has called on Caribbean interests to pool their collective wisdom and resources to make the region the most sought-after tourist destination.
This will allow our open small island economies to optimize our earnings from the global tourism trade, attract more visitors, create more jobs, and secure the well-being of our peoples in the region.
The Prime Minister was speaking at the opening of the Key West Luxury Village in the Turks and Caicos Islands Sunday. She said the expansion of the region's economic space depended on the diversification of the tourist offerings and the continuous training and development of hospitality workers. She also pointed to the British government's decision to revise the air passenger duty rate for persons coming to the region as an example of the power of teamwork.
The playing field is now more level, and we look forward to increased growth out of the UK into our region.
And finally, government will be providing more money to carry out projects this Labor Day.
The Ministry of Local Government and Community Development will provide an additional $5 million to the parish councils to carry out their Labor Day projects.
That's in addition to the $4 million already provided for Labor Day activities. At this weekend's Workers' Week and Labor Day Thanksgiving service, persons were again encouraged to embrace the 2014 theme, Take a Stand, Beautify Your Land.
Jamaica has been built on the service of volunteers and volunteerism. The time is on the 23rd, and certainly leading up to the 23rd, when we should take a stand. to demonstrate the best of who we are via work.
During Workers' Week and on Labor Day, we commit ourselves anew to the task of caring for the environment and undertaking projects that will contribute to the physical and social development of our country.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.